Hello everyone, and welcome to this video about gateways. A gateway is a fundamental concept in networking. What exactly is a gateway? We will explore this question, along with how it functions and the different types that exist. Simply put, a gateway is a network device that connects two different networks and translates the traffic between them. Consider a simple local area network, or LAN. All devices share the same network address range, and a switch handles all traffic locally. But what happens if a device needs to reach the internet? A simple switch only knows the local network and cannot forward packets to external networks, such as Google's IP address. This is where the gateway comes in. It sits between the local network and the internet, ensuring every outbound packet passes through it for connectivity. Let's dive deeper into the mechanics. Our first topic is how the gateway works. The basic packet flow involves the PC sending a packet, which first reaches the gateway and is then forwarded to the internet. Every device connecting to the internet has a, quote, default gateway setting. This IP address, which is the gateway's address, is where all non-local traffic is directed. The gateway performs network address translation, or NAT. It rewrites the private source IP address of the local device to its own public IP address before sending the packet to the internet. Gateways are also capable of protocol translation. This means they can translate traffic between networks that use different protocols, like moving from IPv4 to IPv6 or Ethernet to Wi-Fi. Next, we will explore the different types of gateways you may encounter. The default gateway is what most people are familiar with. It is typically your home router, connecting your local Wi-Fi to the internet. Common addresses include 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1. An internet gateway, or corporate edge device, is used in companies. All employee traffic flows through one or more of the C-edge gateways to access the wider internet. An API gateway serves as a single entry point for microservices. It directs client requests to different back-end services, such as authentication, order processing, or inventory management. A VPN gateway creates a secure, encrypted tunnel between two networks, such as your office and a cloud service, ensuring data privacy and integrity. Gateways connect two different networks and translate protocols. Routers, on the other hand, connect networks of the same type and forward packets by IP address only, operating at OSI Layer 3. Think of a gateway as an international airport, serving as a single entry point between two quote-quote countries with different rules and languages, or in this case, different networks and protocols. Now that we know the types of gateways, let's explore their benefits. Gateways provide connectivity between different networks, security by inspecting traffic at the boundary, translation of protocols and addresses, and abstraction by hiding back-end complexity. Your home router acts as a gateway, connecting all your local devices like your phone, laptop, and smart TV to the internet. To recap, a gateway connects different networks and translates traffic. Your home router is a gateway, and the default gateway is the address for non-local traffic. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe for more networking explainers from TechVision.